Day 40, you guys. How is everybody doing in YouTube land? The tents are getting swapped around. It's Monday, so I'm going to be doing full res changes. I do them every Monday. Clean out the buckets and do a quick sanitation wipe down of the tent. Because I'm putting in a really big shelving unit right here. So I'll be taking them out of the tent anyways, and I'm going to use that opportunity today to move all of these tents around, rearrange stuff, and get that shelving unit in here, because it just makes more sense to have this one on the other side because it goes in order, you know. Veg, flower, dry, checking the nutes levels, feeding them if need be. The reason that I need that shelving unit is this large 30-gallon Vivosun water bladder that I have holding a bunch of filtered water it needs to be elevated, and it needs something really sturdy. So the shelving that I'm bringing in is like super heavy duty shelving. It holds like almost 600 pounds. You can kind of see the process of what I'm doing, and let me know if I'm doing things wrong. Please let me know if I'm doing things wrong. Let me know if I'm doing something you guys have never seen before. I've got little gadgets that I've kind of thrown together myself, and I'm sure I'm not the first one. So I didn't invent plumbing, but I brought my filtered water lines all the way over here, so I don't have to go to it anymore. It's right here. That's one of the things that I thought of. I'm back, and thank you for sticking around. Thank you for believing in me, you guys. It means the world.